Wait, what is this? How did I get here?
You're here because you forgot the golden rule.
Don't try to do it yourself.
Hello.
Sorry, man. Had to put the dog up.
How you doing? My name is Sir Charles. I'm with AA Quick.
Yeah.
And welcome to another episode of Don't Try It Yourself. Yeah, flush twice for me, okay? Yeah, it looks like it's going back inbound. Yes, sir. So we'll cable inbound to get it open. And then I'll have you open up all the faucets. We'll dump a whole bunch of water.
Yeah, mine didn't want to do it.
It's all good, man. I got you lightweight. Yeah, man, I get it. Yeah. 44. 44. Yes, sir. Got something down there? You got a hole down here, something down there?
Yeah, and the goddamn brown hole. Motherfucker so hard you can get out here.
That ain't no good.
So fucking nuts to that.
Yeah. No, we're gonna keep that on for a minute. We need to flush all this stuff out so y'all don't back up again. I ain't gotta come and put my hand back in your pocket. So now I'm cabling out to the street just so we make sure that's clear too, and then we'll wrap everything up. Yes, sir. Right. I'll take them. Huh? Yeah, you always open up, but I want you to let that water run for about 10 minutes. Do you want the tail light warranty? Nah, man, I ain't gonna give you no tail light warranty. We gonna give you 30 days. And so if something happened in 30 days, sir, you're gonna be covered, okay? No, we will not honor the warranty on Taco Tuesday. Absolutely, I'm gonna go in here and get you a receipt. It's gonna have your warranty on here and everything.
What's this for?
That's your receipt.
Oh, did I give you money already?
No, sir.
Oh, okay. Sorry, I'm confused here.
It's all good, man.
147.50.
Uh-huh.
I got it right here.
Cool.
I think 1, 20, 40, 65. I said.
That works. Thank you, sir.
65.
I appreciate it, sir.
Right on.
It was a pleasure serving you.
You too.
Yes,
Right
sir.
on.
You have a good weekend, man. Merry Christmas.
You too.
Yes, sir.
Just another